Check out this beautiful 1969 Chevelle Super Sport. Yes, this is not a clone. It's a true SS. Was originally a 396. It's now a 427. Completely rebuilt. The car is unbelievable. Restored probably about 12 years ago. Still looks showroom condition. The body lines, the paint, the underneath of this car is amazing. Look at my pictures on the website at HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. See that 427 Rumble? She sounds great, runs great, brand new transmission, 12-volt rear front disc brakes, all the right stuff. It's a real SS, original tack. Console, buckets, just the way you want them. Beautiful, 69 Super Sport Chevelle right here. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. It doesn't get much better than this.